everyone, it's Brittany here, and I am back to do my second video for One Stamp So Many Cards. For this one, I used the Avriel Aim High stamp set, and I also used some of the dies, and I do want to do more with the dies because I think I came up with a really cute idea, and it's super fun, but I just haven't gotten to it. If you guys follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you guys know I got a dog, and she is so cute and she's so hyper, but she's taking up so much time, so I haven't got to do all of the cards that I wanted to, but I did use all of the stamps. And really quick, I just want to show you guys, this is my little scrap piece of paper here. So what I do is I just, for this, you can see I did this one as well, and when I'm doing this series, when I want to use all of the stamps, I just take this and I take off the back. So I just take off the back and then I ink up all of these and I just stamp them out on my scrap piece of paper. And that way I make sure that I use them all, and then when I use them I just take a highlighter and cross them off. It just makes it a little bit easier, and it's kind of fun for me just because I like to cross stuff off. So that is that. And you can see I use this like for stamping as well, just with my scrap piece of paper. So there's that, and now I'm going to show you guys the cards. And I'll show you guys this one first. This one is one of my favorites. So what I did was I used this little arrow in the circle, and then the good times are ahead. And then here I actually used the arrow in the circle die, and it just punched out the right size circle. So instead of using the inner part like it's probably meant for, I didn't, and I just stamped it on the inside. So I thought that was kind of cute. And then you can write your message right here. So I just thought that was super cute. And then here's another one. I used the good times are ahead. So I just made some stripes with some pattern paper, and then I stamped out these arrows with the Avriel Aquamarine ink. And I just think that one's super cute. So fun. And then this one here, I used all of the arrows, except for the really super skinny ones. Except for these two. But I used all the other arrows, and I stamped them with my neon inks in green and blue. And then I stamped This Way to Birthday Fun over it, and I just thought that was super cute and fun. Just a nice bright birthday card. And then most of the insides of these are blank. And then for this one here, I used this arrow die, which is this one here, and it coordinates with this stamp. But instead of stamping inside, I just die cut it out of some pattern paper. And I die cut a bunch. You actually can see them sitting over here, because I was going to do the whole background, but I didn't want it too busy. So now I have some to use for more cards or Project Life. And then I just stamped Chin Up in some silver Hero Arts ink and put a couple sequins just to add a little extra. And then for this one, again, I just used the circle with the arrow and just pointing up and down and then over to thank you. So I think that one's super cute. And then this one was kind of fun. I just stamped on craft cardstock, and I used the white ink, and then I stamped over it with some, I think it was the Island Blue Simon Says Stamp ink. And so then I just stamped those on top of some of them, the ones pointing up, just for Aim High. And then I stamped this in white and then also blue over that. So I thought that one was cute. It really looked cool too, just being the white on here. It doesn't look quite as vibrant on the video, but it looks really cute. And then for this one here, I just used the arrows here that are like an X and made my own kind of pattern paper. And I just masked this off for it to say shoot. And then on the inside I stamped I Forgot Your Birthday, which was from a different set, and it had a line under it, so I just didn't stamp the line, and I just took the arrow and stamped it. And then here's another one doing the same idea. So I created some lines or stripes with this pattern paper, and I thought it was kind of cool because it has the chevron that's kind of pointing that way. And then I stamped these arrows, and I kind of smudged up here, but I'll have to figure out how to cover that. And then I just stamped shoot, and again I stamped I Forgot Your Birthday. And then this is the last card. I just took, I actually took a sticky note here and I stamped out this sentiment, I heart you, and I cut a heart out just to make sure that it would fit in there. And then, so the tops were still sticky so that it would just stick on here. And then I just stamped the sentiment inside of the heart, and then around it, well, I still have this post-it note on here. I took this heart, or this arrow with the heart in the middle here, and I just stamped out my own background. And it's a little uneven and not perfect, but I think it's cute. And then I didn't think it was defined, the lines weren't defined enough, so I just took the same ink, and I think this one was bubble gum, and just a sponge dauber, and just lightly went around the edges just to give it a little bit more of a defined line. So there is that one, and there's nothing on the inside. So that is it for this video. I will be back. I'm going to hopefully film it right now, the tutorial on my paper coasters. So I will be back shortly, and I will start on my next stamp set for one stamp set, so many cards. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.